that e'er I had. I spent it in good company, and all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all that I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be to you all. Oh, all the comrades there I've known, they are sorry for my going away. And all the fair maids there I've known, they'd wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls into my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and softly call. Good night and joy be to you all. If I had money enough to spend, and leisure time to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town that sorely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks and her ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be to you all. Good night, everyone, from Murray's in Ishcoffin, and see you soon.